We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Raw chicken lasts in the fridge for 1 to 2 days, while cooked chicken lasts 3 to 4 days. To detect if chicken has gone bad, check the best if used by date and look for signs of spoilage like changes in smell, texture, and color.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.